In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your GoDaddy website footer section using their website builder. First things first, let's head on over to GoDaddy's website. Open your web browser and type in the GoDaddy URL. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen and you'll notice a button that says Sign In. Click that button to proceed. You'll be prompted to enter your login information. Go ahead and fill in your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at your account dashboard. From here, you'll want to choose which website you'd like to edit. To do this, select the My Products section, where you will see a list of all your registered domains and websites. Click on Manage next to the website you want to edit to enter the website builder. Now that you've accessed the website editor, it's time to scroll down to the footer section of your website. Simply scroll to the bottom of your editing page and click directly on the footer area. This action will bring up a customization panel on the right side of your screen, offering a variety of options to tweak your site footer to your liking. With the customization panel open, you can get creative. You have the ability to add or change content in the footer. Consider including essential information such as contact details, privacy policy links, or any other important notices that your visitors might find helpful. This panel will allow you to personalize the footer design to match your website's overall aesthetic. It's important to note that a cohesive design helps to communicate professionalism and can enhance user experience. You can adjust elements like font styles, colors, and even add icons. Feel free to experiment with these settings until you're happy with how everything looks. Should you have any social media accounts you'd like to link to, there's an option to add those as well. Adding your social profiles to your footer can be a great way to keep your visitors engaged and connected across multiple platforms. Once you've made all the desired adjustments, it's a good idea to preview your changes before going live. Just click on the preview button to see how your modifications will appear on your site. Take this opportunity to check that everything displays correctly and functions as intended. Finally, if you're satisfied with all your changes, it's time to make your hard work live for the world to see. For that, you'll simply click the Publish button. This action updates your live site, making all your changes visible to your visitors. And there you go. You've just customized your website's footer using GoDaddy's intuitive website builder. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. See you in our next tutorial.